Hello, this is just going to be a very quick guide on how to set up the input mappings for the Ultimate RTS camera. So because the project is distributed as an add-on, it cannot include the INI files, so you have to add them yourself. But the input mappings are all included, so I'm just going to show you how to set them up. If you go from a blank project compared to one of the other projects, it's fractionally different. It's a little quicker if you use one of the presets, but we'll go with a blank project. We'll just call this RTS camera put example. It's gonna be too long. Yes. Right. If we just create this project, and while we're waiting for this, we're going to add the Ultimate RTS camera. Of course, it hasn't registered. Let's try one more time. Yep, sorry, wrong name. RTS camera input. Add to project. We'll give this a second. Okay. So we've got Unreal open, and we got the folder where the project was made. So in the your project, you should have gained this input mappings merge. This comes from merging in the thing. You can also find a duplicate one in content RTS camera input mapping merge if for some reason it's missing for you. Now instead of giving you an INI file and messing with your original settings, this is a one that you paste in and include. So you can see all the app axis mappings are just pluses, so they're just going to get added, and it will just clear out a few of the base files. So we're just going to Control A, then Control C, copy these. If we go to config, you'll notice you don't have a default input. This is because we start with a blank project. If you started from one of the other preset projects, you will have it. So the easy way to get this made correctly is just to make a input mapping in Unreal. So we go inputs, action mappings, let's call this temp mapping. I don't think it needs a value, but I'm still going to just pick something. There we go. And then if we go back to our folder browser, we now have default input.ini. So if we just open this up, just Notepad is fine. And then we have all of our input mappings. All we're going to do for now is we're going to paste them, that whole section, into this document. We're going to save this, close this, and close Unreal. Now, restart the project. And when you restart the project, apart from just reloading it, it'll also do some housekeeping and make sure there's no funniness going on, and it will just clean up any INI problems. So if we go project settings, inputs, axis mappings, action mappings, and there you go. That's how you get all the mappings. You can delete this temp mapping now, and that means the project will just work for you. As I say, the reason this was done was so that we didn't have to distribute this plugin as a project, but rather just an add-on item that can be merged into an existing project, because I much prefer that compared to having to use a marketplace item as the base project. I hope that helps. Thank you.